Hot FM. Hot FM proudly supports the Benidorm Enthusiast and your favorite YouTube channel, Benidorm Stuff.
Hi guys, the Benidorm Enthusiast here with Benidorm Stuff YouTube channel. And guess what? Yep, it's still raining. We have had a little bit of reprieve with the weather. Managed to stay dry most of Thursday, but as we're heading into the weekend, it's wet and cold and miserable once again. But we're going to stay dry for today's video by taking you for a look round inside the Centro Comercial Mercaloix. That's Benidorm's indoor market. The indoor market is in the Rincon de Loix area of Benidorm. This is the main entrance on the corner directly opposite Servigroup Nerio Hotel. The last time we featured the indoor market on our channel was around a year ago. At the peak of the pandemic, it was terribly quiet, being heavily reliant on British tourism. It's great now to come back and see almost every unit open and plenty of people around. So let's go take a look and see exactly what the indoor market has to offer. The first thing you'll see straight opposite the main entrance is the butchers. If you're self-catering, this is where you can get some locally sourced meats and cheeses and some nice choritos and cured meats. Heading up aisle 1, and you can already see it's nice and busy in here today. People escaping the rain to do some souvenir shopping. But it's not just in winter when this is a good place to buy some gifts. You can also escape the heat in the summer months. Up to the top of aisle 1, and this is a really popular place, Salacon's Bakery. They do all sorts of pies and pasties, sausage rolls, Cornish pasties, all those kind of home-baked goodies. And they also make birthday cakes to order. If you do have a celebration and you need a cake, come to Salacon's Bakery. Round to aisle 2, and the first store is BB Balloons Pauline's Pick a Card. Here they can take care of all your printing needs. T-shirts, mugs, key rings, all that kind of stuff, completely personalised. Further down aisle 2, and we've got Hepburn's Hairdressers and Beauty Salon. We featured this place a while ago on a video about new bars and cafes when Anne had just started work on the unit opposite to turn it into a cafe. There have been a few delays with the opening of the cafe, but it's getting there now. They've got the signage up, breakfast at Tiffany's, and you may well see this place featured on Bargain Loving Brits very soon. Back down to the front of the market, in between aisles 2 and 3, is this Spanish cafe, Casa Feli. They do all different sorts of tapas. They make a paella daily, so if you want to try it by the portion, you can do. Maybe you're not sure you even like paella, you can give it a go at Casa Feli. If you've got any mobile phone issues while you're on your holidays, there's a couple of places in the indoor market that would be able to help you out. The first one is Me Mobile. Further up aisle 3, and you've got a vape shop here, and next to that is a place which does engraving, jewellery, lighters, all kinds of personalised items like that. Also on aisle 3, you've got a cobbler's for any shoe repairs or key cutting services you may require. At the the top of aisle 3 and you've got a sweet shop. There's loads of souvenir shops in here as well. Handbags, purses, belts, all that kind of stuff you can get in the indoor market. At the top of aisle 4 is Andy's phone shop. Andy is a whiz with technology. If you have any issues with your mobile phone, he will be able to help you out. Repairs or accessories or new mobile phones. Further down aisle 4 is Carla's cards. Cards for every occasion here, all kinds of birthday gifts, balloons, banners, sashes, any kind of celebration, they can help you out. In between aisle 4 and 5 is another cafe, another Spanish cafe, Cafeteria Molina. It's great to see these small individual businesses doing well again. They've had such a tough time. If you can get to the indoor market, come and support the local businesses. We're often asked where to get money changed in Benidorm. Well, the indoor market is one of the safest places. Euro, Pound, Tony's and Sheila's all offer some of the best rates in town. 1.18 today, not bad. Another place we featured on our recent video about new bars and cafes is Coffee Benidorm on aisle 5. Hello, Lucy. Going from aisle 5 to aisle 6, and this stall here is where you can come and get your hair braided. I know the kids just love that when they're on holiday. And in the far corner you've also got Yvonne's bookshop.
Hi, Lucy.
More clothes and souvenir shops on the last couple of aisles in the indoor market, and then as you come round to the corner to the other entrance you've got the Fish Foot Spa. Next to the fish bar, right on the other entrance, is another lovely little tapas bar, Casa Roberto. That concludes our little tour today of the indoor market. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment, let us know what you thought, and also check us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and TikTok at the Benidorm Enthusiast. Stay positive, stay safe and stay dry.